Welcome to HAZWOPER, Emergency and Post-Emergency Response Procedures. For detailed information about how to complete this course and use all of its features, select Help. To proceed through this course, select the Next button. Procedures help with consistency. They let employees know exactly what is expected of them so that each task is done the same way every time. Responding to an emergency release of hazardous substances is an intense operation. However, procedures help take the guesswork out of it. This course is designed to expose you to the steps used for notification, preparation, and response during emergency response operations, as well as post-emergency activities. After completing this course, you will be able to describe what measures can be taken to be prepared for an emergency release. Describe what methods may be used to recognize an emergency release of hazardous substances, to identify which hazardous substances are present, when to initiate an emergency response plan, and what information to report when notifying emergency response personnel of a release. List factors to take into consideration when sizing up an emergency situation and preparing to take action during an emergency response to a hazardous substance release. Recognize emergency response steps and procedures for helping victims and containing or controlling an emergency release of a hazardous substance, and identify post-emergency response procedures after an emergency response has been terminated.